welcome back, or if this happens to be your first time visiting my channel, or if you just happen to click on this video, welcome. My name is Lisa. Thank you so much for being here. I just got off of work, but I got a few packages in the mail and I wanted to share them with you. So I got one of the packages on Friday and I got another one today. So they're both from Louis Vuitton and they're actually both the exact same thing. However, I first ordered it and I ordered it kind of the wrong way. So I had to go back and reorder it the correct way. One came on Friday. I thought they were both going to be delivered on Friday according to the delivery, but didn't happen that way. One was delivered Friday and one was delivered today. So the correct one came today. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna share with you guys. I'm gonna try not to really open this one. I guess I have to in order to return it. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, this one is the correct one, I'm assuming, because this is the one that I got today. So let's just open it. I'm pretty excited about this. Can you guess what it is from Louis Vuitton? Of course you can, because I put it in the title of the video, right? Yes. Let's see. Here we go. And there it is in the box from Louis Vuitton. Alright, so as you can tell by the title of this video, it is the latest fragrance from Louis Vuitton, California Dream, and I don't know why I wanted this. Well, I know why, because you guys know I love fragrance and I just had to have this fragrance. Now, I have absolutely no idea what this smells like. I haven't looked at any reviews. I haven't looked at any videos. I haven't read any reviews on it. I don't know the notes in it. I know it sounds crazy to totally blind buy something. And this is pretty expensive. I can't even remember how much it is, but yeah. Anyway, of course, I would have loved to have smelled it in person, especially at this price point. But unfortunately, because of COVID-19, all the stores were closed, especially here in California. So of course you can't smell it through the computer. So yeah, I just had to order it online. At first, I was just going to order it online, but then it was sold out. And I was like, oh, at least you don't need that anyway, or just wait until the store is open and then you can actually smell it. But it's something about the packaging that just got me. Like, I just had to have it. So anyway, let me see if they have the price in here so I can see how much it was, because I cannot even remember. Let's see, is it on here? No, it's not. Great. So I guess I'll have to look it up for you guys, or of course I'll put it in the description bar below, the price and everything. But anyway, like I said, I don't know what this smells like. I have absolutely no idea. So I hope I have the correct one here and not the incorrect one. So let's see. It came in this box. So I didn't want to read any reviews. It was just something about the packaging that got me. So it's total blind buy. And wow, look how cute that is. Oh my god, the packaging is just, it just got me. So every now and then, yeah, I'm crazy. I will buy something just for the packaging. I hope this is the right one so I can take it back. I'm assuming it is because it came later, because I ordered it one day afterwards. I don't know. Okay, sorry. Let me open this one first. Just to see. I don't know if I can tell which one is the right one. Oh, I really want to see the sample of this California Dream. gonna send this one back, but I wonder if they'll let me keep the sample. They have to let me keep the sample, right? Look, oh my God, this sample is everything. Look at it. Look at the, even the sample is like the bottle. It's pink and blue ombre. Like, yes, I'm totally here for it. And guess what, guys? I actually did my own dip powder nails this time, just as a challenge to see if I could do it. I think they came out pretty decent. What do you guys think? Anyway, yeah, so I'm totally here even for the sample. There we go. So pretty. It was just the packaging that got me. The beautiful ombre light blue, my favorite color, mixed with pink. Louis Vuitton, California Dream. Hey, I mean, it's California. You guys know I am a native Californian, so why not? There we go. Let's see what that looks like. Okay. And so it has Louis Vuitton, and then it has California Dream stamped at the top there. Comes in a few different sizes. Yes, this is the correct one. All right, so as you can see, look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. Like I said, it is just for the packaging. Wow. Okay, so as you can see, it has that beautiful ombre blue and pink, and let's see what it smells like. Like I said, I don't know the notes. I don't know what it smells like. I don't know the description of it. I just bought it for the packaging. So let's see. Let's see if I'm gonna like it, you guys. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna spray it, let it settle down for a little while. So anyway, yes, I bought this for the packaging. Yes, I know it's expensive. I hope I like it. But every now and then I will just buy something just because of the packaging. And yes, I did get it hot stamped. So that is what I mean by the correct one. So as you can see, it has my initials there, LCA. And the first one I bought, I totally forgot about the monogram. Like, how could I? So, you know, your girl has to be a little extra. And you guys know I love personalized stuff. I love anything that's monogram, personalized. So your girl had to be a little extra. And of course, she needed that monogram on there. But when I first ordered it, I totally forgot about that. Okay, let's go back. So because of COVID-19, all the stores were closed. So I couldn't go in and smell it. And then they kind of opened back up a little bit, but because of the murder of George Floyd, and then they had riots and looting, then they reclosed all the stores again. But you could buy it online, but then it was sold out online. And then one day I just got a notification, or I just happened to be looking on there, and it said they had it in stock. So I hurried up and got my smartphone out and I ordered it, and somehow maybe it didn't come up with the monogram for me to do that, or I skipped over it. I was just so excited to see it was on the website and order it real quick before it went back out of stock. I don't know. But anyway, I totally forgot about that, ordered it, and then somehow I went back on the website the next day, or thought about it, and I had to reorder it again the correct way and get the monogram on it. So that's what I mean. So the first one does not have the monogram and the second one does. So I'm letting it settle down so I could kind of give my first impressions. Of course, I wrote myself a little note, as I usually do. It says, continue to dream. Yes, we are always going to continue to dream, always continue to try to reach new goals and different things in life and all that other good stuff. As you can see, it has a magnetic top. The bottle is refillable, and I freaking love this bottle. So one day I'm gonna have to do a video on my blind buy fragrances. I actually get a request for that video quite a lot, so blind buy video or things or fragrances that I bought mostly because of the packaging. I don't know, is that two different videos or is that the same video? Not quite sure. I don't know, maybe it's a combination, but anyway, one day I'm gonna do that video. Let's see, should I look at the notes? Well, let me just see what it smells like right now. So I'm not sure, is this classified on the website as a unisex fragrance or is it under the women's fragrance? But you guys know, as far as fragrances, I don't really classify fragrances as male or female. I believe anyone can wear whatever they want. If it smells good on you, wear it. Don't be limited by these crazy boundaries just because someone says you can't wear it. If it smells good, wear it. Let me give it a little sniff. Okay. I actually like it, so thank goodness. Anyway, so this smells kind of soapy. It's fresh, it's light, it's perfect for spring, summer. It'll do very well in warmer weather. It's kind of happy. It kind of has a unisex smell to me in a way. So it's not super sweet. Actually, because of the bottle, I was kind of, I guess because of the pink packaging, I was kind of expecting it to smell kind of sweet. And it's not really sweet. It's more light, citrusy, a little bit of woodsy notes, and kind of like a fresh scent. A little bit of soapiness. So I kind of almost get a little slight hint of Dolce & Gabbana light blue, and that's probably just because of the citrus part of it. Like, you know, Dolce & Gabbana has that citrus lemon scent, and this kind of has that nice bright type of scent, but it kind of has like a little bit of a quote-unquote male fragrance. Let me see what the notes are actually on here. The notes are Mandarin, which you guys know if you've watched my channel for a while. Mandarin is one of my favorite notes in a fragrance. So yes, I guess that's why I wanted it. I guess that's why I actually like it. So it has Mandarin, ambrette, and benzoin, which kind of has a sweet kind of vanilla type of scent. Ambrette, kind of like a woodsy scent. So yeah, it's not really sweet though. Like I said, it's more fresh, soapy, citrusy, light, bright. Anyway, it kind of has a little hint vibe of men's cologne. Let's see, is this classified as a unisex scent? I'm assuming just for this packaging, just because of the pink, that it's marketed toward women. This, I think, is very unisex. A man or a woman can wear it, and the bottle is gorgeous. So honestly, if I was in the store and I happened to sample this, would this be a fragrance that I would definitely just have to have or definitely would have bought? Honestly, probably not. Not to say that I'm not happy with my purchase. I'm absolutely 100% happy that I got it just because of the packaging, and I do like the scent, but it's not like something that I would just have to have. Like, it's not something that's super, super different than things that I already have, that I own in my collection, and that's just the kind of person I am. I need things that are really unique, really different than things I already have, but I do like the scent, and the more that it wears, I really like it even more. I'm happy with my purchase, so happy I got it. Definitely Love the bottle, the packaging, love my monogram, love everything about it. It's like a showpiece that I can just sit up here on my peninsula right here and put in my little tray. I love it. It's perfect for summer. So here's the test. Does this actually smell like California? That's actually one of the things that this scent is supposed to be totally founded on. It's supposed to smell like the scent of California. I'll be the judge of that since I am a native Californian, a native Southern Californian. I am born and raised here in Los Angeles, so, you know, yeah, I would actually say that this does give off California vibes, just in the sense that it is very fun, a very happy, a very kind of laid back but fun scent. I could see myself wearing this when it's super sunny, very happy, like to the beach. I could see myself wearing this out to brunch or lunch with my friends. I could see myself wearing this on a beautiful, sunny Southern California day. You know, in Southern California, we tend to have more sun down here than Northern California. So that's what I mean by it in that sense. And actually, this would actually be a good gym scent. You guys know I don't really like heavy scents at the gym, but this is light enough that you could actually wear it to the gym. It's not very overpowering. It's very easy to wear. It's very light and fun and happy and fresh. And California, like, just in the sense that it has all the nice citrus, the oranges and the lemons and things like that. So yeah, I'll give it California dreams. I'll give it California vibes. I think I'm gonna wear this tomorrow to work. I have to come back on and let you guys know my other thoughts on it, how long it lasts, the sillage, if you get any compliments, things like that. So I'll definitely come back on and do that. So anyway, that is California Dream from Louis Vuitton. If you have this fragrance or have smelled it, or if you want to buy it or interested in it, let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. I would love to know. And as always, in any of my fragrance videos, I would love to know what you are wearing today, your scent of the day. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you are new here to my channel, I would love for you to become part of my YouTube family here by subscribing. You can always click that little red bell below so you'll be notified each time I happen to upload a video here. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Have an amazing day and an amazing week. It's about to be summertime, my favorite time of the year. So thanks again for watching, you guys, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.